A calorie is a unit of heat. It is not a unit of your body. It was invented to measure how much a furnace burns coal. So why do we use it to run our entire lives? You eat 200 calories of almonds. Your body absorbs far less. About 30% of almond calories pass straight through you, unabsorbed. The number on the package is a promise your gut never keeps. The calorie is real, but your calorie is a guess. Two people eat the exact same meal. Their bodies extract different energy. The label says 100. The truth depends entirely on who you are. A calorie is a calorie. It might be the tidiest lie in all of nutrition. Where did this number even come from? In the 1890s, a chemist decided to measure food by fire. His name was Wilbur Atwater, an American chemist obsessed with food and energy. He built a sealed chamber and burned food to measure its heat. Atwater's bomb calorimeter set food alight inside a sealed metal vessel. The heat released warmed water. That warming became the calorie. He assigned 4, 9, and 4 calories per gram of nutrient. 4 for protein, 9 for fat, 4 for carbohydrate. Beautifully simple. But here is the problem. Your body is not a furnace. A flame burns everything completely. Your gut is far more selective. Atwater knew this, so he built in a fudge factor for digestion. Those correction numbers, over a century old, still sit on your labels. This is the gap between the flame and the fork. Cooking changes everything. Raw food gives up far less energy. Enter Richard Wrangham, a Harvard biologist studying cooking and human evolution. Wrangham fed mice raw meat, then cooked meat, and watched them grow. Cooked food fed the mice more calories, from completely identical ingredients. Heat unravels protein and gelatinizes starch, freeing energy for absorption. Cooked starch can deliver significantly more usable energy than its raw equivalent. The label never asks whether you fried it or ate it raw. Now consider what happens after you actually swallow. Trillions of gut microbes eat your food before you ever do. Jeffrey Gordon, a microbiologist, revealed just how much those microbes matter. Gordon showed gut bacteria can pull extra calories from the same food. Some microbe communities harvest energy far more efficiently than others. Transplant those bacteria into lean mice, and the mice gain weight. Your microbiome may shift calorie extraction by up to 10%. 2 identical plates, 2 different guts, 2 entirely different outcomes. And the food itself resists the calorimeter. Whole almonds hide their fat inside tough, indigestible cell walls. USDA physiologist David Baer decided to actually measure what we absorb. Baer's team found almonds deliver about 30% fewer calories than labeled. Chew them finely and you unlock more. Swallow them whole and less. Pistachios ran about 5% lower than their printed value too. The same nut, the same weight, and yet a constantly moving number. Then there is the hidden cost of digestion itself. Your body spends real energy just to break food apart. Protein costs the most to digest, burning up to 1/4 of its calories. A whole food and a processed one can net wildly different totals. One study found a whole food sandwich burned nearly twice the digestive energy. Same calories on paper, but your body quietly kept far fewer. So the number on the label is not what your body actually receives. Counting calories isn't measuring energy. It's estimating a rough average. So does tracking calories actually do nothing at all? Not quite. As a rough compass, it can still point a direction. Awareness of your portions helps. Precision down to the calorie does not. The error isn't tracking. It's trusting the number as absolute truth. Your food is cooked, chewed, processed, and shared with your microbes. The gap between the label and your body is where reality actually lives. Next time a package promises 200 calories, remember, that's the fire's number. Your body writes its own math, quietly, meal after meal after meal.